Forgotten username recovery failed on SoFi Relay Fix. If you've tried to recover your SoFi Relay username and kept hitting dead ends, you're not alone. Most people get this wrong because SoFi Relay no longer relies on traditional usernames. Instead, your registered email or phone number is now the key to accessing your account. The surprising truth is that guessing usernames rarely works and often wastes time. Here's how to fix it. Step 1. Go to the SoFi Relay login page and click Forgot Username. Enter the email address or phone number linked to your account. This is how SoFi now identifies users securely. Step 2. If you don't have access to that email or phone number, you'll need to verify your identity. Prepare details like your full name, date of birth, and any account-specific information. SoFi uses this information to ensure only you can regain access. Step 3. After verification, you may be prompted to reset your password. Follow the instructions in the email or SMS carefully, and check your spam or junk folder if it doesn't appear right away. Step 4. If all else fails, contact SoFi Relay support directly. Explain that your username recovery attempts failed and provide the necessary personal information. Their support team will guide you through a secure recovery process. Many users assume losing a username means losing access permanently, but the reality is much simpler. SoFi Relay transition to email and phone-based login to improve security and streamline access. By following these steps, you can quickly regain access to your account. Focus on your registered email or phone, verify your identity when necessary, and you'll be back monitoring your finances and using SoFi Relay with confidence.